Ladies and gents, the courts are busy today, and I have a few updates for you. But let's start with the AKA and Tips murder case.
The incident is attended to 5th of October. The trial will start on 5th October until the 6th of November, except for the 4th of November, which is going to probably be a public holiday because we have elections. 5th October to 6th November 2026, and thereafter from 12th April 2027 to 14th May 2027. You are all going to remain in custody, and the trial will proceed as indicated. Do you understand?
The seven accused were back in the Durban High Court today for a pre-trial conference as the court finalized preparations for the long-awaited trial. And finally, we have dates. The first phase of the trial is set to run from the 5th of October to the 6th of November 2026, with the second phase scheduled for the 12th of April to the 14th of May 2027. And this is expected to be a big trial. The state is expected to call around 45 witnesses. Today wasn't about hearing new evidence or witnesses taking the stand, it was about getting the case ready for the trial. So, after all the delays and pre trial proceedings, the AKA and Tips murder case now has a firm trial timeline. I have more court updates for you, but let's start here. With that being said, I will see you on the next one. God bless you and ciao.